Okay guys, so my crystal dragon is complete, but on this print I did realize that it had a bunch of this fuzz. I don't know what you're supposed to call it, but we've never had a print with so much fuzz. So we were wondering if you guys could help us out. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and take this out. Just gonna go ahead and
It
take
looks
it
so
out.
cool.
Mhm.
It looks so
18
cool.
hours.
18 hours?
Yeah.
Wow.
That is a lot of fuzz. It's so fuzzy that it doesn't want to move.
I know. Look at it. All right, guys. What do you think? What did we do wrong? Fuzzy Wuzzy.
We're
All
gonna
right, see if you can move him around.
He doesn't want to.
Careful. It has so much, huh?
This is the crystal dragon. Let's go see what it looks like in the dark.
Let me see. It looks so cool. Look at his eyes. Did you notice how his eyes actually have orange? That's cool. All right, let's see.
Okay guys, it's done. We 3D printed this with the rainbow glow in the dark and then a fire orange.
It looks so cool. It looks like a crocodile. Eat your...